I, Alexander James,
take you, Lucy Harriet,
take you, Lucy Harriet,
to be my wife, to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
very last bit,
to love and to cherish,
till death us do part,
till death us do part,
according to God's holy law.
according to God's holy law.
In the presence of God, I make this vow.
In the presence of God, I make this vow. I want to share with you all the time when I realised that Lucy was the woman I wanted to marry. Now, you need to bear in mind, I wrote this 6 weeks ago before I knackered my back again. All right, so bear that in mind. A few years ago, I hurt my back. I was unable to walk and I ended up being in hospital for 2 weeks. I had many family and friends who came to visit over those 2 weeks, but there was one person who was there every single morning, before work, and every single evening after work. She did not complain once. She was always there for me, putting me first with a beautiful smile on her face, never thinking of herself. It was this lady sat to the right of me, who I can proudly now call my wife. Lucy, I can guarantee there isn't a person in this room who has not witnessed your selflessness at some point. You are the kindest, most thoughtful person and beautiful soul on this earth. It has been inspirational to see the love and support you have provided to your family over the past 2 years and the challenging times that we have been through. Everybody knows you have been the biggest influence in who I have become, and honestly don't know where I would be without you. There are not enough words to describe how much of a special person you are. Today is extra special for me because I'm not just marrying my best friend, soulmate, but also my childhood sweetheart. I love you so much, and I cannot wait to see what the future holds for us. There we go. On that note, can everybody please stand and raise your glass to Mrs. Lucy Corrigan Harper. Cheers.
I, Lucy Harriet,
Take you, Alexander James,
take you, Alexander James,
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
till death us do part,
till death us do part,
according to God's holy law.
according to God's holy law.
In the presence of God, I make this vow.
In the presence of God, I make this vow.